Turn around. One more. Bailey, turn around. Sit. Shake hands. No, shake hands. Shake hands. Good girl. Appear. Appear. Okay. Stay there. Babe. Stay there. No. Sit. Here. Sit. Good girl. Wait. Wait. Okay, wait only. Kain siya. Wait. Wait. Yan, wait lang siya. So, kiss muna tayo. Balik tayo. Tingnan natin kung stay pa rin siya. Okay? Wait only. Wait.
Later. A few moments later.
Still waiting siya. Okay, balikan natin. Ipitin natin yung iba.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Tignan natin siya. See? Good girl pa rin siya. Hindi pa rin siya kumakain. Okay, eat! Doon. So, ayun. She's eating broccoli and fresh dog food. So, yung fresh dog food, bibili ko sa supermarket. Siyempre, kasama pala natin si Dr. Shiba. So, for now, binigay ko sa kanya is Pro-Immune and Happy Tummy. Later, painumin ko siya ng Jolly Joints and the Silky Fur. So, yun lang. Happy eating!